A prayer before work. O God, source of strength and wisdom, I thank you for the work that I am given. It helps me grow in many ways, and it helps provide for my needs and that of those who depend on me. Grant me your heart and patience, that I may always do my task willingly and meaningfully. And if meaning has been lost along the way, remind me of my purpose so I may be able to make a wise choice and will always choose what is wise. Grant me the courage to stay on course and to always give my best no matter how mundane and routinary it has become for me. Keep me safe as I do my rounds. May I always have the interest to seek, to know more, and to improve, not only for myself, but most importantly, for whom I serve. May conflicts and misunderstanding be ironed out and disagreements turn into openness and enlightenment. Remind us that everyone and everything are essential. This I ask for your greater honor and glory. Amen.